Hello everybody and welcome to the next section of videos about AWS Lambda in Go. During this next section we are going to complete a basic chat application which enables users to log in and to type their chats on a public chat assuming that they are logged in. In order to do this we are going to need to use the AWS service DynamoDB. So from the console let's go there and create some databases. So if we click on create table, we will create a table. Now the first table we're going to need to create will be our users. So we'll call this CH for chatter, the name of our application, and users. This will need a primary key of username. It's worth noting here that DynamoDB tables are basically hash map, and so they're not really sorted, but from a username we can get to our password and user detail. We're not going to add a sorting key because we don't need it in this instance, and we're not going to add any of the other information here. That is simply done when you add records. This might take a moment to create, but we can create the other tables while that's happening. We'll create a table, and this one will be CH sessions, and this will basically store a session ID and a username, and so we'll give this ses ID as the primary key. The last table we're going to create will be the one that stores the chat, so everything someone says will become a record in the chat. So we'll create this table and we'll call it CH chats. This one's partition key will be the date ID. The reason for this is because of the way that data is stored and referenced inside this hash map. Whenever we make a query and we want our response in a sorted order, we still have to give a hash within that key of those things. So we can have multiple elements that have this date ID as long as we have a sort key. So we're going to add a sort key, and so everything that happened on this date will be returned, but it will be returned in the order the chat timestamp, and so we'll call this TMSTP for timestamp. Timestamp is actually a keyword in Amazon databases, so I don't want to call it that and cause extra confusion. We'll choose number as the type, and this will be how they're sorted. So we'll store the timestamp as basically its Unix time number. And now we can create this table too.